What if I told you that the secrets to a happier, more successful life are often left unsaid by our own parents? While our parents have the most influence on our lives, they can unintentionally remain quiet on the important things that need to be said and pass on limiting beliefs that stay with us well into adulthood. Not only can this leave you feeling clueless about life, but the lack of guidance and wisdom can lead you down the wrong path and get you into situations that can be very hard to get out of. Things like not being able to manage money, getting into debt, not setting standards and boundaries, or simply getting into the wrong relationship can deeply impact your life. And while it's easy to say we all learn from our mistakes, it's far better to educate and prevent problems from occurring in the first place than to let the same pattern of mistakes trickle down to the next generation. Wealth builders, today we're uncovering 27 pieces of life advice that your parents never told you, but should have. These insights will not only help you break free from those subconscious limitations, but will also serve as a personal roadmap to live a more fulfilling and prosperous life. By the end of this video, you'll have a wealth of actionable strategies to improve various aspects of your life, from personal growth to professional success. We'll delve into advice that will help you set realistic goals, handle setbacks and failures, and put measures in place to ensure you reach your highest potential. These lessons are not something you'll master overnight, but rather over many years through many experiences and various stages in your life. That's why it's important to come back to this video and remind yourself of the lessons as you go through life. Welcome to Wealth Builder Masterclass, where future millionaires go for wealth, wisdom, and life advice. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button to get the latest updates. Lesson 1. Don't compare yourself to others. Have you ever caught yourself measuring your success against someone else's? Everyone's journey is unique, and comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary stress and dissatisfaction. Focus on your own path and set your own standards. When you admire traits in others, use that inspiration to cultivate those qualities within yourself. Remember, your personal growth and progress are what matter most. Lesson 2. Failure is part of the process. Are you afraid of failing? You will never get it perfect the first time around. Failure is a crucial part of the learning process. It's not the end, but a step towards success. Each failure teaches you valuable lessons that bring you closer to your goals. For example, if you launch a business and it doesn't succeed, break down all the things you did right and pinpoint exactly where you went wrong and use that knowledge to improve your next venture. Treat failure as a stepping stone to greatness. Lesson 3. Learn from the mistakes of others. Do you pay attention to the mistakes of others? They've lived their lives and done the failing for you. Be observant and take note of what not to do, so you don't put yourself in difficult situations. For instance, if you see someone struggling with an addiction, really put yourself in their shoes and understand what led them to that experience. This approach saves you from unnecessary hardships and accelerates your path to success. Lesson 4. Pursue your passions. If it's profitable. Have you found what you love to do? Finding and pursuing your passions can lead to a more fulfilling life. Even if it's not the most financially rewarding path initially, the joy and satisfaction you get are priceless. Imagine turning your hobby into a profitable business like teaching, which could start as a side hustle and grow into a successful coaching business. When your passion aligns with profit, you're on the way to a truly fulfilling career. Lesson 5. Model off successful people. Do you have a role model? Find someone who is already successful in what you want to do. Study them, look at their business, and replicate what works while adding your own spin to it. For example, if you admire a successful entrepreneur, look at their website, what products they sell it, how they sell it, and analyze their strategies. By modeling successful people, you can fast-track your success. Lesson 6. Set realistic goals. Do you set goals that are achievable? Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable steps to stay motivated and track your progress. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a massive goal like start a business, break it down into steps like research the market, create a business plan, and secure funding. This approach makes large goals less daunting and more attainable, and you'll feel more accomplished after completing every task. Lesson 7. Take calculated risks. Are you willing to step out of your comfort zone? Calculated risks can lead to significant rewards and personal growth. Evaluate the potential outcomes and make informed decisions. For example, if you want to quit your day job and go full-time online, make sure you have at least 6 to 12 months worth of savings to learn new skills and to give you enough time to make your transition. Taking well-thought-out risks can open new doors and create valuable opportunities. Lesson 8. Take massive action. Do you wait for opportunities or create them? Be proactive, take initiative, and don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and create them. Even million-dollar ideas are worth nothing if you don't act on them. For instance, if you have a great business idea, start by taking small steps daily towards making it a reality. Massive action leads to massive results. Lesson 9. Don't waste time. Are you making the most of your time? Spend your time wisely on things that matter most to you. Time is your most valuable asset, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and avoid distractions. For example, instead of spending hours on social media, invest that time in learning a new skill or working on your side hustle. Lesson 10. Set boundaries. Do you value your time and respect yourself? Set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Let people around you know where the line is. The last thing you want is people taking your time or asking for favors that take you away from your goals. For instance, if a friend constantly interrupts your work time, politely explain that you need to focus on your tasks and set a time to catch up later. Lesson 11. Learn to say no. Are you overcommitting yourself? Learning to say no is crucial for maintaining balance and well-being. It's okay to decline requests that don't align with your priorities. For example, if you're asked to take on an additional project at work that will overburden you, respectfully decline or suggest an alternative solution. Protecting your time allows you to focus on what truly matters. Lesson 12. Develop a strong work ethic. Do you put in consistent effort? Consistency and hard work are key components of success. A strong work ethic means showing up every day and giving your best effort. For example, if you're building a business, dedicate time each day to work on it, even when you don't feel like it. Over time, your dedication will pay off and bring you closer to your goals. Lesson 13. Don't overcomplicate things. Do you tend to make things more complex than they need to be? Simplicity is often the key to success. Do what works and reduce it to its bare essentials. For example, if you're launching a new product, focus on creating a simple version before adding more features. Keeping things simple can make your work more efficient and effective. Lesson 14. Learn to delegate. Do you try to do everything yourself? Delegation is essential for efficiency. Don't try to do everything yourself. Delegate tasks to others when possible to focus on what you do best. For instance, if you're managing a project, assign specific tasks to team members who have the skills to handle them. Delegating frees up your time and ensures tasks are completed more effectively. Lesson 15. Celebrate your achievements. Do you take time to recognize your accomplishments? It's important to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. For example, treat yourself to a nice dinner or take a day off when you complete a major project. Celebrating successes boosts your morale and keeps you focused on your goals. Lesson 16. Stay humble, even when successful. How do you handle success? Stay humble even when you achieve great things. Money comes and goes, and humility keeps you grounded. When you have it, remember what it was like when you didn't have it. When you don't have it, remember what it was like when you did have it. For example, if you receive a promotion, stay approachable and supportive to your colleagues. Humility creates positive relationships and long-term success. Lesson 10. Learn to rest. Do you give yourself enough downtime? Regular breaks and downtime are crucial for maintaining productivity and mental health. Rest prevents burnout and keeps you at your best. For example, take short breaks during work hours and ensure you get enough sleep each night. Incorporate relaxation activities like reading or walking into your routine. Rest is essential for sustained performance, especially of long periods of time. Lesson 18. Life is not linear. Do you feel pressured to follow a certain path? Life's path can be non-linear, and it's okay to take detours. Career paths and personal growth don't always follow a straight line. For instance, the marketplace can change, your product can no longer sell, and you're forced to make changes and learn new skills. Accept these changes as part of your unique path, as detours often lead to something better later on. Lesson 19. Be flexible with your plans. Can you adapt to changing circumstances? Life can be unpredictable, and flexibility allows you to adjust and still achieve your goals. For example, if a project at work takes an unexpected turn, be open to changing your approach. Flexibility helps you navigate challenges and stay on course, even when things don't go as planned. Lesson 20. Focus on solutions, not problems. Do you dwell on problems or seek solutions? A solution-oriented mindset helps you overcome challenges more effectively. Instead of fixating on problems, look for ways to solve them. For example, if you encounter a technical issue at work, research solutions or ask for help rather than stressing about it. Focusing on solutions keeps you proactive and resourceful. Lesson 21. Exercise positivity. Can you stay positive in difficult situations? Being positive is a skill, especially in challenging circumstances. If you can't be positive, learn to neutralize negativity. For example, when faced with a setback, focus on what you can learn from it rather than dwelling on the negative. Positivity brings you to a better state of mind and helps you progress even in the hardest of times. Lesson 22. Learn to self-reflect. Do you take time to honestly reflect on your life? Regular self-reflection helps you assess your goals, values, and direction. It provides clarity and helps you make informed decisions. For example, spend a few minutes each day journaling about your experiences and feelings. Self-reflection encourages personal growth and aligns your actions with values. Lesson 23. Learn to listen. How well do you listen to others? Active listening can improve your relationships and help you understand others better. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. When someone is speaking, focus on their words without interrupting. Show empathy and ask clarifying questions. Listening builds trust and deepens connections in both your personal and professional life. Lesson 24. Develop a growth mindset. Do you believe in your potential to grow? A growth mindset means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed. View challenges as opportunities to grow. For example, if you struggle with a task, see it as a chance to improve rather than a setback. A growth mindset creates inner strength and continuous improvement. Lesson 25. Develop emotional intelligence. How well do you manage your emotions? Understanding and managing your emotions can improve your relationships and decision-making. For example, if you feel frustrated, take a moment to breathe and identify the cause before reacting. Practice empathy and consider others' perspectives. Emotional intelligence enhances communication and reduces conflicts. Lesson 26. Keep on learning. Do you make a habit of learning new things? Lifelong learning keeps your mind sharp and opens new opportunities. Continuously seek knowledge and skills. For example, read books, take courses, or attend workshops in your field. Staying curious and informed helps you adapt to changes and stay competitive. Lesson 27. Seek mentors and role models. Do you have mentors to guide you? Learning from others' experiences can provide valuable insights and guidance. Let mentors hold you accountable to keep you on track. For example, find a mentor in your industry who can offer advice and support. Regularly check in with them to discuss your progress and challenges. Mentorship accelerates your growth and helps you avoid common pitfalls. Congratulations! You've just learned about 27 incredible pieces of life advice that your parents never told you. From avoiding comparisons to others to seeking mentors, these tips can guide you towards a more fulfilling and prosperous life. Each piece of advice is designed to help you navigate life's challenges, build strong relationships, and achieve your personal and professional goals. Remember, the journey to a successful and happy life starts with taking small, consistent steps. Choose the advice that resonates with you and start implementing it today. The sooner you begin, the closer you'll get to achieving your dreams. Okay, now it's time to test your knowledge to see what you've learned. You'll be given a series of questions with multiple choice answers. Answer A, B, or C for each question and give yourself a point for each one you get correct. Ready? Question 1. Why is it important not to compare yourself to others? A. It helps you focus on your own path. B. It prevents competition. Or C. It guarantees success. Answer A. It helps you focus on your own path. Question 2. What is the role of failure in achieving success? A. It should be avoided at all costs. B. It is a step towards success. Or C. It indicates you should give up. Answer B. It is a step towards success. Question 3. How can learning from the mistakes of others benefit you? A. It allows you to avoid making your own mistakes. B. It gives you new ideas. Or C. It speeds up your path to success. Answer C. It speeds up your path to success. Question 4. Why is it important to pursue your passions? A. It leads to a more fulfilling life. B. It ensures financial success immediately. Or C. It eliminates all risks. Answer A. It leads to a more fulfilling life. Question 5. What should you do when setting goals? A. Set goals that are difficult to achieve. B. Focus only on the end result. Or C. Break down long-term goals into smaller steps. Answer C. Break down long-term goals into smaller steps. Question 6. What is crucial for taking calculated risks? A. Acting on impulse. B. Evaluating potential outcomes. Or C. Avoiding risks entirely. Answer B. Evaluating potential outcomes. Question 7. What should you do to make the most of your time? A. Spend time on tasks that matter most. B. Avoid all forms of entertainment. Or C. Work non-stop without breaks. Answer A. Spend time on tasks that matter most. Question 8. Why is it important to learn to say no? A. It helps you take on more work. B. It makes you more popular. Or C. It allows you to focus on your priorities. Answer C. It allows you to focus on your priorities. Question 9. What is the benefit of developing a growth mindset? A. It guarantees success with minimal effort. B. It helps you view challenges as opportunities. Or C. It allows you to avoid failure. Answer B. It helps you view challenges as opportunities. Question 10. Which two qualities are essential for long-term success? A. Consistency. B. Flexibility. Or C. Networking. Answer A. Consistency and B. Flexibility. Did you get them all correct? Then pat yourself on the back. If not, rewatch the video and take the quiz again, and you'll do better next time. Are you a wealth builder? Then be sure to subscribe for updates. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.